Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I will take you through how to enable call waiting on your phones. So we are doing this on a Samsung phone. It works on Samsung Galaxy A series and S series. First thing, tap the call app, tap the three dots as shown in the video, tap settings, and then under call settings, you want to scroll up and then tap the supplementary services option right there. Give it some time for that to load, and then all you need to do is tap the radio button beside the call waiting option there to enable call waiting for your SIM card or for your phone number. If you have multiple SIM cards in your phone, you want to enable the feature for all or both the SIM cards in your phone. So enable it for all of them, and then you'll be good to go. So yes guys, that is how to enable call waiting on your mobile phones, especially Samsung devices. Kindly subscribe, like and share for more videos. Bye for now.